this video, we will be showing you how to replace the PC board in your SKD2 flow controller. For this, you will need a screwdriver and the replacement PC board. First, ensure that your pump is disconnected from the power source and unscrew the 4 screws holding the PC board cover in place. Once the cover has been removed, the wires can be disconnected from the terminals and removed from the terminal box cover. Next, the 2 screws holding the PC board in place can be removed, which will allow the PC board to be removed from the housing. The replacement PC board can be slid into place and the securing screws fastened once again. Secure the wires to the terminals again. The wires going from the pump will enter through the lower grommet and the wires going to the 3-prong plug will enter through the upper grommet. Ensure that the correct color sequence is followed. The terminal box cover can now be replaced and the 4 screws screwed fast again. Plug the 3-prong plug in again and your pump is ready to operate. Proper maintenance ensures longevity.